Hey, welcome back to High Spirits. We're still in Missouri, and today we're just had to get out of the house. It's been a long day. It's been a long week, and just needed to get on a hike, man. Get out on the trail. Today we are hiking at Emmenegger Nature Park, and it is a little park that is kind of a municipal park. It's about 93 acres, and the trail that we're on is just a couple miles long. And we're gonna have some nice views. At one point we're gonna overlook a highway. It's kind of one of those man-made bluffs, but it's pretty neat to see. And then later we're going to taste and sample a whiskey from Oak and Grist, which is a little distilling company out of Black Mountain, North Carolina. It's a single malt whiskey. So stick around for that, and I hope you enjoy the adventure. Let's go. nothing like the first drink at the end of a great day. And though my day is not over, and this was a short hike, it was still a great day. Still great to get outside and just try to break away from the hustle and bustle. I wish the trail was a little further away from the sounds and smells of modern society, but I'll take what I can get. So you can probably hear some of the road noise in the background, so I apologize for that. Okay, as I said before, we're going to taste a little bit from this Oak and Grist distillery. This is a blended malt whiskey. Look at that. Looks good. There's a fly buzzing around my head. It's driving me crazy. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting some says I'm going to get some maple, some chocolate, leather, and a little bit of orange. I'm getting the orange and the leather. It smells really good. This is a 3-year blend. It's a 100 proof whiskey. Smells nice. So, in the words of John Muir, into the woods I go to lose my mind and find my soul. Cheers. Yeah, that's nice. It is very warm, and but you know, it's not bad. It's a nice little local find. So thanks to my friend who picked that up for me. So I would say I would give this 3 out of 5 stars, maybe 3 1/4, but not too bad. As far as the hike goes, this is a great place to get away. Emmenegger, for me at least, it's close by. It's a great trail for hiking with the family, taking the dogs out. It is also a great trail run too. There's several different trails and loops that you can extend. I think the hike that we're on is about around a mile, a little over a mile, about 1.5 miles. I've added a few little loops to extend it to get close to 2 miles, but it's a nice hike to get in. You know, you don't miss out on too much of life. You can just duck away for a little bit and knock it out. So thanks for watching, and stick around, join us for the next adventure.